सा और मैं आ गई हूँ अगले हफ्ते का वीकली प्रेडिक्शन लेके, जो कि है 10 तारीख से 17 तारीख ऑफ अप्रैल। यस, एक हफ्ता भी बीच में मिस हुआ क्योंकि कभी कभी मिस करना भी ज़रूरी होता है। और हमेशा की तरह से मेरी रीडिंग्स होंगी सन, मून और राइजिंग पे, जैसे कि आपको पता ही है। तो देखते हैं आगे आने वाले हफ्ते में अप्रैल के 2021 में क्या है नया, क्या खास, क्या हमें सावधानियां बरतनी है, कैसे होगा, क्योंकि कोविड भी चल रहा है और लॉकडाउन भी चल रहा है। तो देखते हैं क्या कहते हैं हमारे ये टैरो कार्ड्स अगले हफ्ते के लिए। शुरुआत करते हैं मेष यानी एरीज से। एरीज आपके लिए तो आया है द 10 ऑफ सॉर्ड्स। द 10 ऑफ सॉर्ड्स का कार्ड ये कहता है कि कुछ चीज़ जो है ख़त्म हो रही, या आपकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है और उसकी वजह से आप परेशान भी हैं, तबीयत ख़राब है, चीज़ें रुकी भी हैं। इनफैक्ट एक्चुअली काम भी रुका हुआ है जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉकडाउन एंड एवरीथिंग। सो एवरीथिंग इज लाइक अ स्टॉप 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 एंड यू हैव द सेकेंड कार्ड ऑफ द 9 of Wands. The 9 of Wands is also like you just holding on there. So आपके लिए हफ्ता मेष राशि जो है it is about something ending, definitely ending है। और आप जहाँ पे भी हैं you just hanging in there. That's what the 9 of Wands card is saying. And the third card is the Queen of Swords. The females, you have a, this is a female energy mostly. The females are going to be very, very intuitive and very practical in the decision. Their intuition is coming from the practicality, the mind intuition, which is not inside, but something which you have been doing so long that you know how to cope up with this stalemate at the moment. That's what this card of Queen of Swords is saying. And also you're going to take charge of the things, queens, or the any energy which is relating to you. If it resonates with you, the males also, it's going to be like this. But what you have to do is mostly take care of your health, which is very important, and do not take any tensions per se, because all things are happening not to you only, it's happening to everybody. And this is a time to just stay put, hang in there and do what you can do best, and that's where the practicality of your decisions come into forum. एंड हमेशा की तरह से मैं लेके आई हूँ एनर्जी कार्ड, बिकॉज एनर्जी इज अ कार्ड विच टेल्स यू एक्जैक्टली व्हाट यू आर इन द जोन ऑफ। तो लेट्स सी मेष राशि के लिए एनर्जी कार्ड्स क्या कहते हैं। आपके लिए आया है द एप्रिसिएशन का कार्ड। दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल ब्यूटिफुल कार्ड। सो जो भी आपके दिमाग की एंग्जाइटी है, जो भी आपकी तकलीफ़ें हैं, जो भी आप सोच रहे हैं, उसको ज़रा साइड में रख दीजिए, बिकॉज यू डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू बी अप्रिशिएटेड फॉर योर प्रैक्टिकल डिसीजंस and you will be loaded for whatever you're doing in these times. वृषभ यानी टॉरस, क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स आपके लिए। ऑलराइट, वृषभ आपके लिए आया है द मून का कार्ड। द मून का कार्ड आपके लिए ये कहता है कि आपको थोड़ी मेंटल एंग्जाइटी है। There is some kind of a secrecy which is also there. Either you are hiding or somebody else is hiding for you, so you will be alert about that. And also थोड़ी आपकी तबीयत में भी थोड़ी सी दिख रही है दिक्कत मुझे इस वक्त, तो आप अपनी तबीयत का डेफिनेटली ख्याल रखिए और इमोशनल ज़्यादा मत होइए उसके लिए, ताकि आपको तबीयत ठीक होने में थोड़ी सी आप ही की तरफ से आपको सहायता मिले। दूसरा कार्ड आपके लिए आया है द 3 ऑफ कप्स। द 3 ऑफ कप्स इज डेफिनेटली इंडिकेटिंग टू सम सेलिब्रेशन, सम हैप्पीनेस, सम thing that you do with your colleagues, siblings, friend, family or anybody, but some kind of a enjoyment, some kind of a party, house party to say, that is there on the card. And the third card has come about the 7 of Pentacles, but it has come reversed. So 7 of Pentacles is basically you look into about the money, but here it is asking you to definitely be taking care of your finances, taking care of what is supposed to be, but ज़्यादा उसमें मत घुसिए, क्योंकि चीज़ें बेहतर हैं ना कि मुश्किल में है जैसा आप सोच रहे हैं। तो 7 ऑफ पेंटिकल जब रिवर्स आता है, इसका मतलब यही है कि यू जस्ट हैव टू डू वॉट एवर यू डूइंग टू कीप योर फाइनेंसेस रोलिंग इन। जो आपका काम है उस काम को आप देखिए, बिकॉज आप काम के अंदर आपको ज़्यादा खुशी मिलती है। यही कहता है ये हफ्ता आपके लिए वृषभ राशि टैरो कार्ड। और आपकी जो मेंटल एंग्जाइटी है उसको आप थोड़ा सा विश्राम दीजिए, बिकॉज दैट विल ओनली कॉज यू प्रॉब्लम। आप देखते हैं आपके लिए एनर्जी कार्ड्स वृषभ राशि क्या कहते हैं। और आपके लिए एनर्जी कार्ड्स आता है इनडिसिजन। लाइक इनडिसिजन, जैसे मैंने कहा आपके लिए मून का कार्ड भी आया था, तो इनडिसिजन इज ऑल इन योर ब्रेन। सो आप थोड़ा सही सोचिए, प्रोस एंड कॉन्स को वजन करिए और देखिए आपका जो इनडिसीजन है ये भी ख़त्म हो जाएगा। मिथुन यानी जेमिनाइज क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स आपके लिए मोबाइल। मिथुन राशि आपके लिए है टू ऑफ सॉर्ड्स का कार्ड। टू ऑफ सॉर्ड्स का कार्ड ये कहता है कि आप किसी चीज़ को लेके असमंजस में हैं और आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि विच वे टू गो, राइट और लेफ्ट, विच एवर वे यू हैव टू गो, सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड। आप बहुत like you know you like catch to 22 situation kind of stuff which is there for you Mithun Rashi, and you are on a dilemma which way to go, and that's why the other card has come, Two of Pentacles also. There is Two of Swords, Two of Pentacles. So the Two of Pentacles is also saying that you are trying to balance something between your personal life and professional life. Either you're balancing between your work because you have a lot of load on yourself, so you're trying to balance your work also. And also the Two of Pentacles is saying that you probably could be balancing your business and your multiple business or job and business or whatever you're trying to do. So that's exactly is going on with you Mithun Rashi at the moment. And the third card is the Lovers ka card. Now Lovers ka card is also indicating there is some kind of a partnership which is going to happen. Sometimes these basically, if I have to take, you are in a dilemma this week Mithun Rashi, because this card also indicates you trying to rule from your heart or mind. You're trying to figure out whether should I do at home the work from home, or do I go to office to work, or you're trying to understand how do you bring balance out here. So this is basically a week of a lot of dilemma which is happening with you this week Mithun Rashi. So just hang in there, because that's the best thing that you can do, and that is what you are supposed to be guided by the tarot cards. And let's see what the energy cards have to say for Mithun Rashi. And it says the thinking woman. So you're going to be thinking and taking a rational decision, because when you're in dilemma you need to understand which way to go, and that will happen only if you give a thought process about it, be practical about it, not overthinking. So or maybe you can take help from somebody who could guide you in this time of dilemma. कर्क यानी कैंसर क्या कहता है ये हफ्ता आपके लिए। कर्क राशि आपके लिए है Three of Wands. Three of Wands is like you really are kind of this doorstep of what you want to start, but you are just holding at the moment, क्योंकि दूसरा कार्ड आपके लिए आया है The Hanged Man, and The Hanged Man आपके लिए ये कहता है कि you are taking a step, but that has come reverse. So Hanged Man is suggesting that you are ready to take the another step. अगर ये सीधा आया होता तो होता कि you want to take a step back, but here it is saying that you have done the study, you have taken the pros and cons, and now you're ready to take the next step to do a new work, new venture, and education wise to go ahead with your exams and all that stuff for the students. And the Strength card has come. The Strength card is also telling you that you have that mental, physical, emotional strength, ability to conquer all the obstacles that is coming your way this week. So अगर ये हैंगमैन सीधा होता तो मैं बोलती थोड़ी आपकी तबीयत खराब हो सकती है कि स्ट्रेंथ के साथ में है, but that's all I can say at the moment. This week seems to be a better one than anything else I can say. Just hold in there and hang in there, and you will feel that you have taken the right decisions to go forward. Cancerians. And I'll see what the energy cards have to say for you. Energy cards for Cancerian is wow, it's beautiful. The Sun. The Sun says that do not worry, everything will work out and fine. Get the sunshine and the warmth of the sun and just shine bright. Maybe Cancerians are not happy with the sun at times just because they just are a water sign and they just want to do something which is very watery than the harsh sunlight. But this sun is going to do good for you. सिंह यानी लियो राशि क्या कहता है ये हफ्ता आपके लिए। सिंह राशि आपके लिए आया था चैरिट का कार्ड। चैरिट कार्ड आपके लिए कहता है कि यू ट्राई टू ब्रिंग द बैलेंस in a very assertive manner. You just are telling yourself that you can do it, you can do it, you can do do it. And maybe some people having a little victory about something, some celebration because finally you've reached your destination. It also indicates a little travel, but travel which is something you don't want to take but you have to take, because the second card आपके लिए the Emperor का card आता है. Emperor का card आपके लिए कहता है you are little egoistic, you are very non-flexible. तो आपको थोड़ा flexible होना पड़ेगा. सिंह राशि, आपको मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ आप अपने को फ्लेक्सिबल रखिए. आप जो बहुत रिजिड हैं वो रिजिड ना होइए, बिकॉज वो आपके लिए अच्छा नहीं है. एंड दैट्स ऑफ द चैरिटी कार्ड इज सेइंग टू ब्रिंग द बैलेंस इन योर लाइफ. इफ यू से रिजिड यू विल नॉट बी गेटिंग दैट बैलेंस. यू विल बी वेरी ईगोइस्टिक. डू नॉट, इट विल नॉट हेल्प यू. द थर्ड कार्ड which has come for you is a Four of Pentacles. Well, Four of Pentacles is because of your egoistic nature, you're feeling very lonely, alone, okay? And you're not happy with it. You're trying to bring balance into your personal life with this egoistic manner that you have. Yes, I'm saying egoistic again and again because that's energy is coming to me from these cards, but if Singh Rashi is concerned. So this is the Four of Pentacles, which is also indicating you're worried about little of the finance, but it's not actually much about the finance as but your personal life. You are not happy, you're very lonely and not feeling good about it. So what you need to do is bring the change, that you have to bring the change for yourself, and the sun will shine on you. Just do the needful. And let's see what the energy cards have to say for our Leo Rashi. And it says blossoming abundance. Well, this is all yours if you just be flexible about you. The blossoming abundance is also about your personal life. दिल दिमाग सबके लिए, health के लिए blossoming abundance है. So what are you waiting for? थोड़ा सा जो आप rigid हो रहे हैं उसको flexible हो जाइए. Then you see the sun shining on you. कन्या यानी वर्गो क्या कहता है ये हफ्ता आपके लिए? Well, आपके लिए आया है the Four of सोर्स का कार्ड. कन्या राशि, फोर ऑफ सोर्स का कार्ड आपके लिए कह रहा है कि आपकी थोड़ी तबीयत खराब हो सकती है, आपको उसका ध्यान रखना है. क्योंकि दूसरा कार्ड आपके लिए आया है द 10 ऑफ सोर्स. अगेन इट्स ऑल्सो आस्किंग यू कि आपकी जो तबीयत खराब है उसके बारे में आप ध्यान रखेंगे तो ये तबीयत जो आपकी है वो ठीक हो जाएगी. एंड यू हैव अ सेलिब्रेशन विद द 3 ऑफ कप्स व्हिच इज ऑल्सो देयर. तो ये हफ्ता वर्गो कन्या राशि आपके लिए मिला जुला है कि आपकी सेहत खराब है, आप आराम से देखिए काम करिएगा, ज़्यादा भाग दौड़ नहीं करिएगा. टेक केयर ऑफ द हेल्थ ऑफ योर लव्ड वंस ऑल्सो, एंड यू विल हैव सम काइंड ऑफ celebration or just be meeting your family or friends along this week, keeping it easy just because it's a lockdown time. So that's what this week is all about. And let's see what the energy card have to say for you, Virgos. Kanya Rashi, and the card for you comes out to be is the Healer of the Ages. And the Healer of the Ages is like because you are feeling very sick, health-wise, emotionally, mentally, you need to heal yourself. Do some meditation, do some yoga, you do some breathing exercises, and you should be benefited. तुला यानी लिब्रा क्या कहता है ये हफ्ता आपके लिए? ऑलराइट, आपके लिए आया है द हैंग्ड मैन. द हैंग्ड मैन आपके लिए ये कहता है तुला राशि की आप थोड़ा सा ठहरे, सोचें, समझें, उसके बाद में आप आगे कदम बढ़ाइए. एक साथ सारी चीज़ें मत करिए. आप जो करना चाह रहे हैं उसके लिए थोड़ा सा पॉज है. दैट्स द हैंग्ड मैन सेइंग टू यू. सेकेंड कार्ड आपके लिए आया है चैरियट का कार्ड. द चैरियट कार्ड आपके लिए कह रहा है कि आप बैलेंस बना के रखिए अपनी ज़िंदगी में तो ही आपको सफलता मिलेगी. आप हर चीज़ बहुत जल्दी करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो शायद वो नहीं होगा. तो बैलेंस बना के रखिए. येस, यू गोइंग टू बी असर्टिव, यू गोइंग टू बी एट इट, क्योंकि आपको वो अचीव करना है, वो आप करिए बट स्लोली एंड स्टेडली. तीसरा कार्ड आपके लिए आया है द एस ऑफ पेंटिकल. एस ऑफ पेंटिकल सेइंग दैट यू आर ट्राइंग टू गेट योर hang of the money also. You're not very concerned about the money, but there is, you see some money coming from somewhere. Maybe आपने अपनी जो आप काम करते हैं उसके अंदर आपने कुछ changes लाने की कोशिश की है, and you see that money can come to you if you really work for it or you try to make some sense of your time, because time is money, I always say. So that money is looking forward to come to you. There is a new beginning which practically you're taking in your decision making this time, so that will be fruitful for you, Libra. Tuला Rashi, that's a good thing to do. And let's see what the energy cards have to say for you, Libra. And the energy card for you is the Sun, and it's amazing. The sun is shining bright on you, Libra, so make use of it. Be blissful and be happy. वृषभ यानी स्कॉर्पियोज क्या कहता है ये हफ्ता आपके लिए? वाह, आपके लिए है द नाइट ऑफ कप्स. The Knight of Cups is telling you're going to be emotional pretty much and you're just feeling that OMG what do I do, because कई बार when you are stuck up with certain thing it's an emotional upheaval that is there for you. Second card आपके लिए है the Tower card. The Tower card is saying some sudden changes are going to happen for you and these changes will be good for you. Don't worry about the Tower because you have the card of the Ten of Pentacles. So Ten of Pentacles is saying that you are gonna be in a blissful state of affairs as far as anything which is abundance, which is health, wealth, money, finance is concerned, work is concerned. So this will happen suddenly. So the sudden change is gonna come with you, for you. Maybe somebody younger to you can bring this, and the youth, you're looking for some changes will happen. So just be at it. You will see the change coming your way with the Tower card indicating that the change is definitely on the cards next week. तो जो साइकिल थी वो ख़त्म होगी या जो चल रहा है उसमें आप बहुत अरसे से कोशिश कर रहे थे, वहाँ आपको एक विंडो ओपन होते हुए मिलेगी, which will give you peace. And the energy card for you, it comes to be a financial constraints. Okay, you're feeling the financial constraints, Scorpio, Vrishabh Rashi, but don't worry, that shall also overcome by this weekend. Okay. सैजी यानी धनु क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स आपके लिए? आपके लिए आया है द टेन ऑफ कप्स का कार्ड. Ten of Cups card is like that you like to be in a family way, or you're looking to spend some time with your family or loved one. That's what the card is saying. Second card आपके लिए आया है the Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords is also telling something that you in your business you just want to go start something fast and furious way because too much of stagnation has been there and you're looking for option. That's what the Seven of Cups of card is saying. So you're looking as far as business and work and education is concerned, you're looking for options. Students especially looking for options given this whole pandemic and the COVID time which is happening. So that's what you need to do. But what you need to do is you cannot be on a very super fast, supersonic jet. You need to take a little rational decisions about it because that is what is suggested by the tarot cards at the moment for you. There is some bonhomie, but only if you take right, correct decisions for yourself. And let's see what the energy cards have to say. And it says the temple path. You need to be a little spiritual, Sagittarius, because आप पूजा पाठ करेंगे तो आपको definitely शांति मिलेगी. थोड़ा meditation करिए, breathing exercise कीजिए और just be gratitude with Almighty. That will help you. Capricorn, मकर क्या कहता है ये हफ्ता? Wow. आपके लिए है the King of Wands. King of Wands is telling me the energy around you at the moment is a very, very grounded and decision-making person who has a new creativity and he or the creation, something which is creative that you want to do, something new you want to start, but you want to take a little rational decision about it because the second card आपके लिए आया है the Death का card. The Death का card is also suggesting some kind of transformation coming your way because third card आपके लिए आया है the Sun का card. So it's basically the week for you Capricornians which is of new energy, which is going to change the direction of your doing the way you're working up till now. That will bring you something better. That will suggest that you take this change and do not resist it because this transformation is going to lead you to the benefits of what you wish to do because that's what the Sun card is saying for you. So that's a beautiful, beautiful time for you because it's all about change, adapt it and be happy. And let's see what the energy cards have to say for you. And energy cards for the Capricornian is the appreciation. So appreciation is coming your way, my dear the Capricornians, and you will be happy about that. The appreciation will come in the way of work, money, or something which you have been waiting for. Aquarian, कुंभ क्या कहता है ये हफ्ता आपके लिए? आपके लिए आया है the Knight of Wands. और आपके लिए Knight of Wands का कार्ड ये कहता है that you are going to be very pragmatic about the decision that you want to take, and you are galloping towards your destination the way you want to reach there, slow and steady, easy breezy. Second card आपके लिए है the Three of Wands. Three of Wands is also saying that you are almost there where you want to be in your work and in your business. and even studied. And third card is the Page of Sword. The Page of Sword is suggesting that this week is gonna be a little more on a practical, maybe some communication, maybe something is coming your way which I've been waiting for, because the Three of Wands is also suggesting you're waiting for some big news coming your way, and that's what you're waiting for. That shall happen this week. So अगर आपने कहीं नौकरी के लिए अप्लाई किया है, या कुछ बिजनेस का है, या कुछ टेंडर का है, या रिजल्ट का है, it's all coming this week for you. And let's see what the energy have to say for you. And the energy card for you comes out to be the second chakra, Archangel Ariel, and it is all about your solar. So you need to just do some yoga exercises and do some meditation, do some breathing exercises, because that is where the creativity is all about. So you need to kind of remove the toxins from your second chakra. बारी आती है मीन और ग्रीन यानी कि Pisces. क्या कहता है ये हफ्ता आपके लिए? मीन राशि आपके लिए आया है the 9 of Swords. The 9 of Swords ये कहता है that you are feeling little bogged down, you are a little disturbed mentally because the things are not working the way you want them to work. But don't you worry, because that is all in your mind at the moment, क्योंकि आपके सामने वो चीज़ें नहीं है, but they are really working in the hidden way. Second card आपके लिए आया है the Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles is all about the third. Like there is some money coming your way, and it's a kind of a money which is coming from a partnership, money coming from some kind of a celebration, money coming from a kind of a deal that you want to do, which is supposed to be with a couple of more people, and that's what the Three of Pentacles is telling you. And also the third card is the Lovers card. The Lovers card is suggesting a good partnership is going to begin for you, a good maybe somebody in love is also there to come and ask you, are you in love with me still? Or this is also about if you are in a relationship, you're going to be kind of making the most of it and maybe proposing or something like that. But if I take in totality in an individual basis of you have to say, it is also that this week is going to be very good for you. So आपकी जो mental anxiety है उसको आप विश्राम दीजिए, आराम दीजिए, because that is not needed at the moment. And let's see what the energy cards have to say for you, Pisces. And मीन राशि आपके लिए जो कार्ड आता है वो आता है Door to Value. This is amazing. Definitely some good deal is going to happen this week for you. Some new business will start, some new work will start, some finances that was blocked will come your way, Pisces. So कुल मिला के this हफ्ता for you is gonna be absolutely happy. और हमेशा की तरह से मैं लाती हूँ the universe has your back, and let's see what the universe have to say for all of us. And we all need universe to back us, because the timings are very tough, and the tough times you need God to help you, and the God is telling you to say, my faith has the power to turn trauma into healing, conflict into growth, and fear into love. Isn't it beautiful? This is what the times that we are going at the moment all across the globe. We just feel that there is so much of pain, anxiety, and that fear of unknown, basically. So God is asking us, the universe is asking us to just think positive and turn the tide for you and for everybody around you. See the power of any individual. It's a process. It just makes a snowball effect. So इसी के साथ से this episode comes to an end, and I shall wish you all the very best and keep smiling. Be in gratitude always, and thank you so much. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. God bless you. Namaste, love and light.